Bruh.
Did you know that idling your car when you park is really bad for the environment and your health?
Vehicle exhaust contains harmful pollutants and are responsible for 95% of carbon monoxide and 19% of nitrogen dioxide emissions. These substances can lead to respiratory issues like asthma, cardiovascular problems, children are at risk of stunted lung growth. Exposure to carcinogen in vehicle exhaust is 1.5 times more likely to cause lung cancer, and some, like oxides of nitrogen, can even cause acid rain. Although it may not affect you immediately, but a lot of these pollutants can stay in the environment for long periods of time and travel long distances.
Wait, what? For real?
So, let me break it down for you. Just 1 minute of idling releases more carbon dioxide than a tree can absorb in 10 minutes. Now, imagine this happens every day for a whole full year.
An idling engine can emit twice as much pollution as a moving vehicle.
Yeah, girl.
Let's! So, how about we try this again?
So save fuel, save the air.
Turn off your engine after you park.
Bye!
Support our No Idling campaign by turning off your engine after you park.